Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a story highlights on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to create a story highlights, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here go to your profile, just tap on your profile icon, and here you will get three dots, just tap on it, and here you'll get the archive section, tap on it. In the archive section, you will get the story archive in the top left corner. Just tap on it, and here you just have to select the story. Here you have all the oldest story you have. You just have to select the story which you want to set on your highlight, and here the highlight section. Just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on new, and here you have to enter the name which you want is the title of the story, then tap on done, and then tap on save. But you can easily add more pictures or videos you want to add, and then tap on save. In this way, you can easily create a story highlights on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.